You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words correctly. They look similar, they have somewhat of a different, they do have a different meaning as well. So let's break it down. The top word is pronounced as worry. So when you worry about something, you're not really confident about something. You worry, all right? You have some worries. Worry. Now, the bottom word is pronounced wary. Now, this is when you're feeling or showing caution, or you think something can be a bit dangerous. That's you are wary, all right? So top word is worry. You worry about something, and you are wary about something. Worry versus wary. Worry, wary. Can you hear the difference? The first syllable is different. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.